A lot of times people ask me how I got involved with cancer. And the short answer was I didn't volunteer, but I did it the easy way. I got cancer. But what was interesting was every step of my journey in cancer explained to me why patients have so much trouble dealing with the system. In terms of the global look, we have got to get out of the 1950s view of clinical trials. Clinical trials are no longer just experiments, they are treatment. It used to be unethical to call them treatment. We're long past that. I have met so many people in their 20s who were in hospice until they found a clinical trial that brought them back to life. We have to have regulatory harmonization. We have to have trust. We have to have confidence in each other's data. We can create synthetic control arms to save putting patients in control arms when we have historical data about what works. We can create new trials that are adaptive, that move people through the possible therapies much more quickly than we do in the old system. We can no longer afford to spend a year between phase 2 and phase 3, or to spend 6 years even getting to a clinical trial. With artificial intelligence and machine learning, there is no excuse for us to continue to use basically the pen and paper of the last 50 years. Now, I want to say one last thing about what happens at the end. We're here to love each other because life itself is so precious. And when cancer wins, the only thing we as humans can do is to love each other. And that is why I'd like to change the Cancer Moonshot name to the Human Moonshot. How we treat other people defines our view of humanity. I hope all of us can do whatever we can to make this a reality, that the Cancer Moonshot becomes the Human Moonshot, and we do all we can to spread it all over the world.